Welcome, friends. This is the McGuffey Eclectic Primer, Lesson 7. In this lesson, I will read the sentence first. Then it will be your turn to read next. His pen is new. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. It has a bad tip. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. I can cut it off. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. Dry up the ink. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. Why do you cry so? Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. The hat was new. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. Her cap is put up. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. We can run to her. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. We saw him go by. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. He was in his cart. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence. In this part of the lesson, I will say the word and then you will repeat it yourself. His. Now say the word or sound it out. pen. Now say the word or sound it out. New. Now say the word or sound it out. Can. Now say the word or sound it out. Cut. Now say the word or sound it out. Ink. Now say the word or sound it out. Him. Now say the word or sound it out. Saw. Now say the word or sound it out. Cap. Now say the word or sound it out. Her. Now say the word or sound it out. Off. Now say the word or sound it out. Spy. Now say the word or sound it out. See. Now say the word or sound it out. Are. Now say the word or sound it out. Age. Now say the word or sound it out. Tip. Now say the word or sound it out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.